Hi, Bean Beauties. It's Louis Vuitton time. Yes, it is. Trick or treat. You don't have to smell my feet, but I do have something wonderful for y'all to smell. So come on back and I'll let you in on the secret. Payments have been paid down. Some debts have gone away. I took care of it. So in the meantime of doing that, I had been looking for some certain items to add to my collections. So I know that you connoisseurs out there know what's in here. Let me put it closer. And y'all can imagine what's in a small box like this. So I'm going to start with this, and we're just going to get right into it. I got this through Fashionphile. I put it on layaway, paid it off while I was paying some other things off. So it came with this, and it had all the kind of accoutrements. Oh, it did have. Okay, I thought they were gonna. They didn't. Fashionphile, you're falling down. You're falling down. Well, it didn't go to my local store, so I ordered it online. But the local store, if it has ribbon or things like that, she'll wrap it up nice and pretty and everything for us. That it has the little card that tells you what the item is, and it tells you here's a little thing. Is that considered a full set? Pretty close to it. Doesn't have the receipt. Didn't have the receipt. And of course, it has the dust bag, the baby dust bag, which I found it came in handy. So here it is. It's the Damier Bean, yes, from Fashionphile. Oh, I'm so excited about it. Yes, I'm gonna start a clay. I know, a little key pouch, a little clay collection. So I want the standards. I have the monogram already. I got from Candy Sweet Love for LV. I have this one from Fashionphile, and I have some what are they called? Animation ones or special edition ones that I am looking to get, but down the line, not right away. So here it is, what it looks like on the inside. But it is in really good condition. This as well is in really good condition. No tarnishing. I don't remember. I'll try to put up what the status is, like if it was excellent, shows wear, that kind of stuff. But the canvas, let me show you around the canvas. And then here is the tags, of course. Louis Vuitton Damier Bean Key Pouch. This item is inspected by our team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. So I like that. Definitely like that. Okay, so that's the first item. And here's the second item. Okay, so I got this some time ago. I don't remember when, but it's been a little while, and I just hadn't had an opportunity to open it because I was changing studios, but I did open it when it came in. I got it from eBay. I wanted to make sure that everything was okay since it came from Japan. It came from Japan. And I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Do I want to undo the... No, I don't want to undo the ribbon. I'm going to slide the ribbon off. There we go. And it came in... So this one has the older boxes. So I didn't smell it or anything. I just made sure that the bottle wasn't broken. Here it has the tissue. And it has a sticker that says Louis Vuitton on there. The Takashi Murakami collab. And it has stickers. They included stickers with it. And they also boxed it up very pretty. Look. And they also included the samples with it as well too. So it took a while for it to get shipped, and it took a while for it to get to me. But I'm like, I'm okay. So let me take this out. And here's a little sticker here that also says the perfume. And the perfume, the sample that they gave is, that included is Sur la Route, Route. So I thought that was nice. I have not smelled those either. I won't smell them right now because I want to see how this smells. All right. So there it is. Oh my gosh, looky. This crazy ladies, this crazy chica's obsession. So I finally got a collection of the perfume. This was hard to get. Yes, it was very, very expensive. We're not talking about it. We don't talk about shopping. No, no, no. We just talk about how much we save. And in this case, I saved nothing. I saved nothing. I had to have it. So there is the top. Look at the bottle. Oh my gosh. Look at the bottle. Like it is the little jelly stickers. And I like them. I've had people say that they didn't like them. I like them. And I felt them on the bags too. And I thought they were neat. And I don't think they're going to be fading like the old ones. But you know, I like the old ones too. Can I like both? Yes. So this is the Imagination fragrance, which I have never smelled. Okay, so let's see. So yeah, ooh, oh, oh my gosh, it smells divine. I don't know what's in it. I don't know what I smell. Oh gosh, it smells, it smells divine, y'all. I mean, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm smelling. Okay, I just want to bathe in this one. I hope that I hope that it. Okay. All right. Now that came on a little stronger. Now I have learned that I need to let them set on me for a little while. Okay. Cause see now the smell right out of the bottle for me, and just in the perfumes in general, like I smelled the bottle and it smelled good. The first spray, I get a lot of that heaviness of everything, and the alcohol. I guess the alcohol that's in it kind of really hits me, and that usually turns me off right away. But I have learned to wait and not and reserve judgment. I've learned to reserve judgment. Like right now, I don't know how long I've been talking, but see, right now it just turned that smell that for a split second you're like, oh, I don't think I'm gonna like it, has dissipated because it's the alcohol, I guess, that makes it the spray that comes out, whatever they use to bind it all together. Oh, I am in love. Okay, I can see myself wanting to wear this a lot, but I only have one bottle. But it's refillable, right? I've heard that they're refillable. I do now that I have a complete collection, and I'm going to try to show you where I am storing them and how I'm displaying them. Look at this. Oh my God. Do I want to turn this into a perfume collection video? Okay, I think I do. Hold on. Y'all, I made this a collection video. Yes, these are the full set of the perfumes. Can you believe it? I cannot believe it. I was so excited to get it. I have so many people to blame. I have so many people to blame. The first one to blame and is Meredith from Living Lux Meredith, because she introduced me first of all to the whole Murakami Louis Vuitton with the original drop, because she was collecting them, and so that started the appreciation. Then I met Lori from Smiling Cat Couture's. How Lori and I met, I have no idea. I have probably in the chats, probably somebody's live, something like that is probably how we connected. I had her on as a guest on my live, and we have become fast friends, fast buddies, and I just adore her collection. So she gives you some information with each video, each short, and she's just obsessed. And I just want everything. I just want everything. The next one who gets a big blame, Rachel, for Rachel Went Shopping. And everybody that I mentioned, I'll put their channels down in the description box in case you haven't followed them, because, you know, I don't know, you should. If you haven't, then go check them out. But she's young. She has a massive collection of the original vintage Takashi Murakami and the new. And she's very humble about it, and being able to secure it and how she's secured it. And she shared all her tips and tricks with us. And I was following her on YouTube. She was doing TikToks and was doing Instagram, I think, but it was too much. I just was trying to get my information on YouTube, and she's just so sweet. And she actually did a massive collection video, which I think I might do just for posterity season. We'll do that. It's not like too many people watch my channel like they watch her channel, with it, and it's not very big in looks, but I think I'd like to preserve it just for myself. And in there, I was telling her what I was able to select to get, and the collections that within the collections that I was focusing on. And I was telling her that I focused on this and that I had just secured this for a premium. But I was happy about it. I was willing to pay for it because that collector side of me needed to complete it. It was haunting me in the middle of the night. So I had to get it. And she said she understood, so that makes me feel so much better. Because when people understand that collector brain, that collector mentality, it helps a lot. So you don't have to explain yourself. She said that she had regretted not getting this and didn't realize how hard it was going to get it, and so she was envious of my collection, or I'm not sure if that's the right word, but go to her video and look at for my comment and see her reply. It's in there. It's something along that lines. If it's not that exact word, it's along that lines. And then I also told her that I have collected all 3 of the cherry bracelets. And she said, "You got some hard stuff to get." And I'm like, "Yeah." But I was like, I didn't tell her this, It's what I could afford in pieces. But it was easier. It's all I could, I didn't have an essay or anything. So the closest to an essay I had was Deline. And Deline let me ride her coattails with the bracelet and this one. There was some other items that we were trying to get, but we gave up on them. Because if they hadn't come in by now, they're not coming in. But I am so blessed and so excited with this collection. So yes, definitely today's video is focusing on this. And I also did get the Damier. Okay, how do you say it? Damier Ebene, the clay from Fashionphile. It's in excellent condition. I absolutely am so excited to have this. So I have 2. I have the monogram and I have this one now. So I'm very, very fortunate and happy to have that. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Ah! Ah! I just love it. And I mean, I got a full set on both of them and stickers with this and a ribbon. I mean, I did great. I was excited. So with it having the ribbon and the stickers and had the samples that came along with it, whether they're the original samples that the store gave them, I don't know. I don't care. They're samples. I don't have it anyway. I was definitely happy. Oh, okay. I was definitely okay with paying the price that I got, that I had to pay for this. I'm not happy about it, but it was definitely above retail, shamefully above retail. So I have almost have it all paid off, but I paid off some other things, so I had room on my Sezzle card, because eBay's the only one that's still using Sezzle. I just had to have a look at the little panda. He's so cute. So here is the imagination again with the panda. This one is the spell on you with the cherries. This one is the Attrape Revs with the super flat flowers. And then once again, why they did this, we don't know, but I didn't care. I needed the bottle. Was another spell on you with the cherry blossoms. Now, fortunately, thank God, at these prices, thank you, Jesus, I love all of them. I think Imagination's number 1, with the close second of the Attrape Revs, and the spell on you is third. And really, I really like spell on you, like right out of the gates, out of the bottle. However, spell on you wears off on me really quickly. We'll see how this does, but the Attrape Revs, it lasted. I didn't have to reapply or anything. So the spell on you, for me, it didn't stay on my skin, on my body very long. And I wanted to make sure, because I didn't want to over spray. But the husband said, "Yeah, no, I can't smell it. I can't smell it." So I'm excited. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming and hanging out. If you have stayed till the end, please put some cherry blossoms, some pandas, some What else, Murakami's? There's cherries blossoms, and pandas. Down in the comment box, let me know that you made it to the end. Tell me what your favorite fragrance is. Tell me if you got any of these, if you're fortunate enough, or tell me, are you crazy like me and went hunting and got them at ridiculous prices? I'll tell you if you tell me. All righty, beauties. Love you so much. Bye bye.